LEGO Super Mario Bowser Airship Expansion Set 71391 Building Kit In-Depth Reviews. This product has 4.9 stars based on 1817 ratings and 63 reviews. 98% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 1% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said fun interactive set. We purchased this for my 5-year-old and he was able to follow the directions and assemble with guidance. We didn't realize when we purchased that there is a sold separately set with Mario that will be able to jump on the characters, and it's like the Super Mario game. The Mario scans the little barcode Lego tiles and then the Mario plays corresponding sounds like the game. We are all excited about it. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Little disappointed. Who thought not including directions for Mario Legos was a good idea? For this line of toys you have to use your phone, scan the code and see from your phone on how you assemble the toy set. Not a good idea, more pathetic I think. Add that while Mario is clearly pictured on the box, he is not included in the toy set at all. Bad advertising. Worse assembling option. That's it.
Test it out. No, it doesn't open up right now.
Why?
Because you got all this.
Oh yeah.
Hold on.
I got the finisher under. Then we should.
Carefully open it up.
Oh, that's sick.
Isn't that badass?
Yeah.
Did Mom do an awesome job?
Mhm.